Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fix My Car. This is a 2006 Volvo S40. It's the T5 model. So what I'm doing now is I'm trying to fix the manual shift on this car. This car comes with a semi-manual gear shift, so you can drive it like a manual car. Over time, the original cover for the gear brakes. I mean, I guess it's rubber, but it's over time it just turns into plastic and breaks off. But the very interesting thing about this is that there's a magnet right here that reads the shift selector. So when you do put your car in gear mode, the magnet will read that where the gear is actually is, so that way you can go into the manual mode. Before I fixed this, I wasn't able to go into the manual mode, so I was just driving the car like that, which is no fun. So they sell these parts online. You can get them online, and you just watch videos. I didn't really do a video taking them apart because this is my first time also, so I had to watch a video and also just one man recording. So I would try to record it as I put the thing together, so that way at least you can follow the step backwards, if that makes any sense. Alright, so just follow me as I go. So put this back together. Okay, I'm probably gonna need my 2 hands just to make sure that everything sits in the right place. I think this was the next thing I took out of it. Put this back together. They have clips holding them in place. And just get it back how it was. This was. So I'm just probably gonna. Yeah, hope that helps. Probably just gonna clean this off. It's a little dusty. Just clean it up. I think I should have alcohol-based cleaner in my car. Other car. So put this back here. Probably just push it in so, and you hear it click, so that way it goes back in the right place. So put this back here, and we put the, I think it goes this way. What you do is just okay, so I don't think it's possible to do it that way, so you probably have to do this first. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to do some tugging with this.